Writing an introduction in a discuss both sides essay. Number 1, read the question, the exam statement, and think, what is the general topic? What are the 2 specific points? Here is a question or exam statement. Some people believe apples are blah 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 blah. Other people think bananas are blah 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 blah. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. So here it is. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. What is the general topic? Here the general topic is fruit. What are the 2 specific points? Apples and bananas. Let's look at a more realistic exam question. Some people say it is more important to have fun with your job than to make a lot of money. Others do not agree and think that a job with good money is better for your life. So, what is the general topic? It's not fruit, it's work, trabajo. What are the 2 specific points? Not apples and bananas. The points are have fun or make money. There are 2 points. One thing I want to tell you, how can you find these 2 specific points? Well, generally they come after a verb that projects. For example, after believe, after think, after say. Here it is again, think, or maybe a different one. Hold the view that, or a different one, be or are of the opinion that. Okay, so these are all projecting our opinion. That is where we can find the 2 specific points. In this video, I'm going to advise 3 sentences in your introduction, but it is possible to have 1, 2, 3, 4 sentences. Maybe 5 would be strange. I'm going to advise 3 in this video. The first sentence is the general topic sentence. And here is one example of a general topic sentence. One example. The issue of fruit is of great importance in many countries nowadays. So, the issue of fruit. Our general topic is not fruit. Our general topic is work. Let's put it in there. And there it is. A very simple general topic sentence. Again, you can use other general topic sentences. For many people around the world nowadays, the topic of blah 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 is widely discussed. Anything that introduces the idea generally. Logically, I should say. Now, don't say things like the question is about, or I agree with the question. Begin your essay, probably this is not a good idea. You should begin your essay with something that is a bit more general or specific. And not your opinion like, I think that. There's something a bit more general. Okay, sentence number 2 in this video, maybe it's different in a different structure, we'll be writing about these specific points. So, here is one example of how you can do this. While there are those who maintain that, that's the same as say that. Others hold the view that, that's the same as think that or say that. Okay, let's use it for our specific topic. While there are those who maintain that, have fun and make a lot of money. Maintain that it is of greater importance to have a good time than make a lot of money. Others hold the view that, and the second point. Finished. No. Paraphrase. You should paraphrase. What does that mean? Use different words or groups of words than the ones you see here. You should try and change things a bit. Okay? Here I didn't change anything. It's the same, so that's not good. Yep. A good salary is of greater priority. So that is now very different from this one here. Great news. Okay, what about this one here? Is of greater importance to have a good time, let's say at work, than make a lot of money. What have we got here? Have fun, have a good time, that's different. Make a lot of money. Oh dear, make a lot of money. That looks to be the same. Yep. Let's talk about that soon. First I want to say that you don't have to use this. You can have some people say that blah, 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 and believe it, blah, 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 blah. Okay? Now, general advice is that you should put the point you agree with second. For example, let's say I agree with the banana point, and I don't agree with the apple point. That means I put the banana point here and the apple point there. If you agree with the apple, you put the apple point second and the banana point first. You don't have to do this again, you don't have to, but that's what some people advise. Let's talk a little bit more about this paraphrase. You should not use groups of words from the exam question given. So here we had a lot of money, and here I've got make a lot of money. So that's a group of words. It's not good. I'm going to change it, make a great deal of money. So here we still have make, we still have money, but it's a different group of words. We have a great deal of. So this is the second point. You can use single words. There's not a problem with the fact that I use money. That's okay. I can use make. I can use work. I can use importance. Yeah? But I shouldn't use the groups. Last thing, if you change the word form, it is different. So let's say in the question you have work is very important. If you write work is of great importance, this is fine. Importance is not the same as important. So that's a different word from that one there. Some more examples. If you change discuss to discussion or have fun, have is the same as have, but fun and a good time are different. Last thing, a light bulb here, this is a light bulb, it's a light bulb. You can use this combination if it's in the exam question. You can use it again when you're answering, because you can't really say light bulb in a different way. The thing that becomes bright when blah, 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 blah. Okay, so here I want to say, don't try and change things you feel you can't change. Because if you do, maybe you won't say light bulb, maybe you'll say something different. Okay, last, sentence number 3. Well, both views will be analysed in this essay before the author's viewpoint is presented. Here it is. Here it is. Again. So this is basically your plan. You don't have to use this one. You can use something like these views that we discussed with them. You can use anything that logically says what will happen. And again, you don't have to have 3 sentences. You don't have to have this last sentence here. It's just the advice I'm giving in this video, because it organizes the introduction, it ends the introduction, and it tells the reader what's going to happen next. Okay, here is the final product. So, here is the introduction using the structures, the sentences that I recommended, and here is an example answer, specific example answer. Press pause and read it if you want to. One last time, please read more examples. Read different example answers that native speakers have written. Look at the different structures of the introduction. Look at the different structures of grammar. And then think about making your own structures, your own grammar ones, using the structures that you find. For example, you can go to Google or another search engine, put discuss both sides, give your opinion. Here's one model essay. You come down and you read it here. These days, more and more people are making the choice to go to university. So that's the general topic here. It's about university. Come down, click on that one there, example question, and here's the introduction that you can use. So read lots of different introductions for this type of essay and make your own introduction.